Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dimension webinar. This time we would like to introduce our EasyGet 2 portable fiber end-phase microscope. EasyGet 2 is a portable microscope for visual inspection on the fiber end phase of optical connectors, transceivers, torsa or rosa, and so on. EasyGet 2 can be used in many occasions, such as 5G constructions and maintenance, data center, laboratory, and patch cord manufacturing, and so on. EasyGet 2 has some remarkable features. It's compact design with portable monitor. It has manual focus link and is easy to use. Compared with the first generation, EasyGet 2 has much higher image quality. 2 magnification options available. 200 times, for example, this one, and 400 times. Its battery can be durable for about 8 hours after fully charged. It adapts many tips for different applications. The chips can be compatible with other Dimension portable probes, such as AutoGet, AutoGet Wi-Fi, and EasyGet Wi-Fi. For more details, you are welcome to visit Dimension website. Okay, let's check how EasyGet 2 works. At the beginning, we need to connect this probe with the monitor together via this aviation interface. Next, we need to install the tip for the finger fiber to be taxed. For example, right here we adopt the 2.5 mm tips for this tax. And right here, here's the button of the power for the monitor. And this button for testing the remaining power of the battery. Now we can see that it's full charged. So when we adjust the focus link, we can find a picture of the fiber end phase. Right now, it's the clearest one. It's clean. If the fiber end phase is not clean, the user can adopt pen time cleaner or cleaning box to make it clean. Thank you.